These 6 products pulled in nearly $10,000 in sales in just 3 months thanks to one game changer: personalization. Imagine tapping into this lucrative market with your own unique products. Ready to see what personalization can do for your business? Personalized products create one-of-a-kind experiences that customers love and are willing to pay an extra 20% for. Think about it. Would you buy a t-shirt that says Double Doodle Mama? Or would you buy one that says Double Doodle Mama to Waffles and Finnegan? But here's the issue. So many merchants miss out thinking it's too complex or time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you just how simple it is to add personalization to your print-on-demand products using Printify, so you can tap into this profitable market with ease. You'll learn exactly how to set up personalization, handle orders smoothly, and deliver an experience that keeps customers coming back. I'll also tell you which 5 personalized products sell the most, so stick around for a step-by-step guide to growing your sales with products that shoppers love. 1 in 5 consumers are willing to pay 20% more for personalized products, making personalization a powerful way to increase revenue by 10 to 30%. With POD, you can charge a premium for custom items like t-shirts and mugs, which customers are willing to wait longer for because they feel unique and meaningful. Personalization taps into a loyal market that values one-of-a-kind items for special occasions, creating a new revenue stream in any niche. It allows buyers to customize different elements of a product, like text, images, or even designs. This could be custom sweatshirts with names, anniversary blankets with photos, or mugs with a message. Our setup allows you to flexibly sell both personalized products, which you'll get to review and approve before production, and standard products, which can go straight to production based on your chosen order approval settings. No more duplicating products every time you receive an order for a personalized product, and no more setting your whole shop to manual submission, saving you time and energy for other business demands. Plus, print on demand is ideal for personalized orders, as customers understand that quality personalization takes a few extra days, perfectly matching their expectations. With Printify, the personalization process is designed to be seamless, giving you an easy way to offer unique products and customers an enjoyable, straightforward experience. For the time being, some of these features are only available to Etsy users, but we know that personalization is a huge opportunity for every e-commerce store owner, which is why we'll be continuously enhancing this feature to make it even simpler, faster, and available to more sales channels. And while we may not have all the bells and whistles for personalization just yet, it's totally free and integrates seamlessly with your orders. To set up personalization in your Printify account, start by choosing any product from our catalog. But if you're not sure, we've curated a special category of our top picks for personalized products. Choose your product and start designing. In the product creator, you'll see a personalization option in the left toolbar. Clicking here will give you the option to add a personalized text layer. For now, you'll only be able to create one personalizable layer per design, but you can still complement it with other non-personalizable assets like graphics, images, and text layers. Clicking on this button will add a personalizable text layer with default text. You'll also notice this text box has a different border to help you differentiate between personalizable and standard text. In the Variants and Layers panel on the right, you can set a character limit and add your text. Note that if you're selling on Etsy, they do not allow placeholder text or designs in your main mockup photo. We recommend using a real text example that a customer might submit. Here, you can also resize and position the text layer more precisely. But you can still do that by dragging and dropping the text box as well. Like regular text, you can change the font, size, alignment, and color. When you're finished with your design, save your product. Choose or upload your mockup photos, add your title and description, and most importantly, enable personalization. Now, if you've added a personalizable text layer in the product creator like we did, you don't need to do anything, as this will be enabled by default and cannot be disabled. If you did not add the personalizable text layer in the product creator, but instead have a different personalized design that you'll upload into the product creator, like a photo, you'll need to toggle on this button. Next, enter instructions for your buyer on what they need to do to personalize their product. Overall, it's important to set clear instructions within your listing of what can be personalized and how a customer can do that. What information do your customers need to provide? A name, date, photo? Are there character limits or specific requirements? How can customers provide you this info? Is there a personalization box, like on Etsy? Or would you prefer they send you a message or email? Whatever option you choose, make it clear in your product description. Then you can set your shipping and prices as you normally would and save it as a draft for later or publish it to your store. Orders with personalization enabled will always require your review and manual approval, no matter what your order approval settings are set to. Products will be labeled with the rainbow personalizable badge, and you can enable or disable personalization at any time right from the My Products page by clicking on the 3 dots. Let's go through now and see how it looks when you get an order for a personalized product. On the Orders page in your Printify account, you'll see the status Review Needed. You can also filter by Personalized Orders or Requires Action. Click on the order that needs to be reviewed to update the product directly within the order. You'll see the personalization request from the buyer and a green review button. Click the button to be taken into the product creator and update the design as needed. Remember, this update is for this specific order only. Your original example text or design will not change. Double-check your customer info and spelling and approve the personalization. Now you'll see a green Submit button back in the order details page. Click on it and it's off to production. When in doubt, just follow the green buttons. Personalized products offer shoppers a unique and interactive buying experience, meaning it's essential to provide an exceptional support experience. Although this should be the case 100% of the time in your business. When it comes to personalization, however, keep these things in mind. Offer mock-up previews, as it helps customers see exactly how their personalized items will look, increasing their confidence to purchase. Ensure accuracy and reduce potential errors by setting up automated messages to confirm custom details after an order is placed. If a customer does make a small mistake, like a misspelled name or incorrect photo file, reach out with a friendly follow-up, giving them a chance to correct it before production. This attention to detail enhances both customer satisfaction and builds trust in your brand's customer service. While any of our 1,000+ products can be personalized in our catalog, we've handpicked a special selection of top-selling items that are perfect for personalizable designs. Keep in mind, different products will work better within different niches, and you know your niche and customers best. But if you really want to maximize your potential for sales and earn max profits, try out your designs on these top 5 selling products our most successful merchants personalize. Number 5, ceramic ornaments. Number 4, Gildan 18,000. Number 3, Gildan 5,000. Number 2, Bella and Canvas 3001. And number 1, accent mugs. See how simple it is to personalize your products with Printify? You've got all the tools you need to start creating unique items that customers will adore and keep coming back for. Now that you know shoppers love personalized products, get those items in front of the world's biggest marketplace.